Hey friends, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to create this super cute stop motion video using your phone and our app Lapse. If you haven't downloaded our stop motion app yet, please head to the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store and download it before you start this tutorial. This stop motion tutorial is one of 12 in our series 12 Ways to Animate One Scene. You can see all the different videos here, and I'll link to the playlist to access all the other tutorials down below. I'm also going to link to our Getting Started video. If you haven't watched this yet, I highly recommend giving it a watch before you start these tutorials. In it, I teach the fundamentals to creating a polished and professional looking stop motion video. Start a new project in Lapse by clicking the big blue plus sign on the bottom menu bar. Next, we're going to lock our exposure, white balance, and focus so that the camera isn't auto-adjusting between each shot, which will cause flicker in your final video. To achieve this time-lapse look, what we're going to do is we're going to start with the light really close to the glass like you see here. You're going to take your first photo, and then what we're going to do is we're going to move the light back a little bit, which will deepen those shadows. You're going to take your next photo, and then we're going to move the light back again some more, and this will give the look of a time lapse. Make sure when you're moving the light back that you're not hitting off the tripod or anything else so that everything can remain stable, and the only thing that's changing is the depth of the shadow. We know we're going to want to speed it up right away, so let's do that. Cool, we'll boomerang it so it goes back and forth instead of just always going forward. And I'm going to increase the brightness slightly so it gives it that extra punch. I love it. Let's save it. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please smash that like button. It really helps our brand grow and get these tutorials in front of more eyes. If you recreate this video and post it to social media, I would absolutely love to see what you've created. Please tag and follow us at @LapseApp for a chance to get featured on our Instagram page. Do you want to learn how to create really eye-catching videos all from your phone? Please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we're always putting out more stop motion video tutorials. Thanks for watching.